This crochet rose bouquet makes a perfect handmade gift or home decoration. Let's create something beautiful together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy ideas. For row 1, start by chaining 53. Turn your work, skip the first chain, then crochet 52 single crochets across. You're doing great. This is the foundation of our flower. Next, for row 2, chain 5, make 1 double crochet. Then repeat this pattern. Skip 2 stitches, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, all the way to the end. This creates the base for our petals. Now for row 3, chain 3. In each chain space, do 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 more double crochets. Then skip 2 stitches and repeat. And these are your rose petals taking shape. So pretty already. For row 4, let's add detail to each petal. Chain 1, skip 2 stitches, then crochet 8 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches again and make a slip stitch. Repeat this pattern to complete the petals. Keep your tension relaxed so the rose curls naturally. You're doing amazing. If your rose starts curling, that's exactly what we want. It will roll into shape beautifully later. Let's move on to the flower wrapper. Chain 2 and make a magic ring. Inside the ring, crochet 12 double crochets. Finish with a slip stitch to close the round. For round 2, chain 2. Then repeat this sequence 6 times, 1 double crochet, followed by a double crochet increase. That gives you 18 stitches total. Slip stitch to finish. Next is round 3. Chain 2 and make a 3 double crochet cluster DC3 tog in each set of stitches, repeating 6 times. This creates a cup shape to hold the rows. Round 4, chain 1, then do 6 increases using single crochets, 1 increase in each stitch. That's 12 stitches total. Slip stitch to join. For round 5, chain 1 and do 12 increases again, just like before. You should now have 24 stitches. Keep it neat and even for a nice round base. Round 6, chain 1. Now repeat this pattern 6 times. 3 single crochets, then 1 increase. That brings us to 30 stitches. It's looking so cute. Rounds 7 to 10 are the same, just work 30 single crochets in each round, ending each with a slip stitch. This creates the walls of our wrapper. Tip: keep count by placing a stitch marker at the start of each round. Now for a special detail. For round 11, crochet 3 double crochets in back loops only. Then switch to the front loops only for the next 3 double crochets. This adds a decorative edge to your wrapper, lovely finishing touch. And there you have it, a beautiful rose with its own little wrapper. If you enjoyed this project, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more heartwarming crochet tutorials. I can't wait to see your creations.